Hey, what is up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money by simply sitting at home and typing out, that is, doing content writing. So, firstly, you have to go into Google and you have to enter in your Google account and password. As you can see, I've entered in my Gmail account, and then I'm going to go to Google search and type in internshala. Now, I'm going to go in the top corner and click on login, and then click on login with Google. Then I am going to choose my Google account. Now here, as you can see, we have to enter our first name and last name. So our first name will be Als and last name will be Rig. And now the title will be Mr. or whichever you want to. Then we are going to go ahead and enter our personal information. After this, we have to set our preferences. So our first one will be content writing. Our second one will be data entry, and the third one will be social media marketing. If you have any other skills and you are an expert in something, you can enter that. And thirdly, we are going to click on this second option, that is work from home or part time. It's very important to click on this one. Now we're going to go ahead and save it. And as you can see, we have arrived at this page where we can see the various content writing internships available for us. Now you can see that the location mainly should be work from home, and the duration should be short, and the pay should be high, and so on. Now after this, we are going to go ahead and get our resume. So you have to click on this and then click on edit resume, and then we have to click on what kind of degree we have currently completed. I am currently in the process of graduating and I'm currently pursuing it, so that's why I'm going to enter here. Then we have to enter some personal information, and then we are going to enter our percentage scale, CGPA, and mine is 8.0, just as an example. I'm going to click on save. So here this is done, and now I'm going to click on next. Do you have any past internship? If you have, you can enter, or else you can skip. You can also skip this, or you can enter if you have any experiences. I'm going to click on skip for now. Now here it is going to ask us what kind of English skills do we have. English written, English speaking, social media, MS Excel, and digital marketing. This is the preferences we have selected for our preferred language. So we're just going to go ahead and click on intermediate for all the ones, just as an example to show you. Now we're going to go ahead and click on next. Now if you have any other profiles on anything, you can enter them over here. For now I'm going to just skip it. Now we are going to go ahead and enter some additional details about ourselves, or any kind of award that we have secured in the past years of our life. For me, I am going to enter, I used to top most of my English exams in my school and colleges, as well as in my college. We're going to go ahead and click on save. Now for the second line, I'm going to go ahead and enter, I am fluent in English and I have good communication skills. Remember, it is very important that you put proper English in your resume, or else you won't get selected. This is a really important step. I have to make sure you have to capitalize all the words wherever necessary. So here you have it. Your resume is ready. If you want, you can enter other education details like your 10th or 12th standard. For now, I am not going to enter it. I am just going to click on next and save. These are all my expertise and my skills. If you want, you can enter a work sample. You can also download a resume. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on internships. Now here at the internship page, you can see that a good high paying internship job over here. It is giving us 1.5 to 3k per week for a duration of 3 months. It's very important to look at all these information on this page. And also if you want, you can visit their website. Now they're giving us an option to change a resume. If you want, you can do that and click on next. Now here it is why you should be hired for this internship. For this I am going to write that I currently have a lot of free time and I have my vacations. Make sure the spellings are always correct and they are at the moment. Full stop. I am looking to make a little extra money while working from home, and as well as learn about new experiences in the working world. And full stop. Now it is asking us whether we are available for a period of 3 months starting immediately. For this we are just going to write whatever is there above. So for example, for this one I am going to write yes I am available for a period of 3 months. Remember, it is very important that you maintain proper English in these parts and in your resume as well, as it will reflect on the other people that are going to look at your account and at your resume, and accordingly they will pick you for their job or internship. So for this I am going to copy the same thing from above, starting immediately for a work from home internship. Full stop. Then we're going to go ahead and click on submit. Remember, it is very important to put commas and full stops wherever necessary. Now going back to the internship page, as you can see, that was an example of me writing an internship and submitting an application. So for second example, I'm going to show you that we have an option of copying last content writing resume work, that we can just copy it directly from the previous one and enter. If there are other requirements, you have to enter them manually, but mostly it will be same for all. So as you can see here, now this is a little higher paying one, so they will expect you to be a little more skillful. And here as you can see, we can go ahead and copy paste the same thing from a previous internship and so on. So that's how we can earn money by writing some content online while sitting at home. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace.